Incremental routines. So we have said in the previous video that if you don't want to spend any money, you can use SuperMemo 16. But is it worth it? That's what we are going to cover in this video. So even if you're not familiar with SuperMemo, what you see here is very, very similar to the SuperMemo 17, 18, and even 19. Most of the menus here are the same options. The cosmetics are slightly even worse. The icons are different and a slightly lower quality, but it's quite robust. So to answer the question quickly, if you want to get the flow of incremental reading, it's more than enough. And it's free forever. There's no restriction, oh, you cannot use this feature, this other thing. It's enough that you can have the statistics, which, by the way, I think there has been almost a difference in the stats. Obviously, you have a different algorithm. It's not as good, the scheduling algorithm. She will do more repetitions overall. I think with videos and so on, it will be more clunkish and some bugs that are not fixed in this version, but can be secondary. So for the fact that it's free, I mean, it's more than enough. Keep in mind, people have used that 10 years ago, paying for that. The only limitation is that you cannot import now from Internet Explorer, unlike before, when that was the last version. So you will be limited to import by copy-pasting and stuff like this. But again, more than enough to use it for hours and hours until you get, okay, you know what? I got incremental reading, it's for me. Let me get the latest version. And then you update your collection. You will see how it is done in this course. Let's say that it's like a trial without being a trial. It's just a free version, a freeware version. Yeah, then now so in this case, you have the stats here and some other stuff that is slightly different in this version, but you will recycle 99% of the knowledge you get from this version. Absolutely worth it. In my case, it was just 10 hours, because with 10 hours, I already saw the potential. I'm sold. Let me get the new version, the newest version already. And remember, with my link, you can get 10% off. And once you update, instead of category is called concept. The docking isn't like this, are different windows, but it's very minute. With just a few hours at most, you will get used to the current version. So overall, absolutely worth it. SuperMemo 16, the freeware version, is totally worth it. Please use it if you don't want to spend money or you cannot afford. It's not that, hey, I don't want first to invest some time and see what it is. It's just I cannot afford it. That's also valid. I know some people who stick using SuperMemo freeware for a few years. Totally valid. Totally valid. Remember, there will be a section on the mastery course, not the fluency, but the mastery, about this version in particular. So you will see in very granular detail what you need to pay attention. That, hey, this version is different from my videos because my videos are using SuperMemo 19. That's what you cannot do, like neural review is not there in this version. And some other aspects that once you upgrade, hey, this is changed, this is called like this, or this has been deleted, quite rare, but something has been cut. So in case you do the upgrade, it's even faster for you. Instead of noticing by yourself, I will spoon feed everything for you. So it will be, okay, done. Absolutely done. Remember, it will be on the mastery course only. That will be all for now. See you incrementally.